Hello guys, welcome to Learn Selenium and Java channel. So in this video, we are going to cover how to add dependencies in form.xml file for Maven project. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So I just created the Maven project, okay, and named as test automation. So under this project, I have one form.xml file. So just double click it, the file will be opened like this. Okay, so it will be like in the form of XML. So before going for the dependencies, right? So I will tell you why we need the dependencies. So in order to perform some operations or execution uh, based on Selenium and the Cucumber, okay. So we need some dependencies. So let's call Selenium dependencies and Cucumber dependencies testng JUnit like this. So in order to use the particular applications, in order to perform some operations, execution, the APIs, okay, we need some dependencies. So those dependencies we are going to add it here in the XML file, form.xml. Okay. So now let's see how to add it. Okay. For adding the dependency, just go to Google and type Maven repository. Then you need to click on the first link, Maven repository search browse explore. It is getting loaded. Okay. So in this search box, right, you need to type Selenium. Then you need to select this link, Selenium. If you select this link, so there are multiple versions are available. Okay, so these are all alpha version. So I would request not to take these versions. Go for this version because the usage hit as 237. So I think popularly it's used by several professionals. Okay, so go for this and going inside. And if you look at here, so there are a couple of tabs, right? So these are all called build tools. Okay, Maven, Gradle, SBTIV. Okay, this. So we need Maven, right? Just select on the Maven tab, then one box will be coming along with some details. Okay, so this is called the dependencies. Okay, so we don't need the first line. So from the second line till end, copy this. I'm just trying to copy these dependencies. Okay, so I just copied it and going back to my STS. And it's not responding. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, so it got opened. Okay, so after this fifth line, right, just gives enter, just add some lines, empty lines. So in here you have to add one tag. Okay, the tag name is dependencies. Okay. So I just added the dependencies tag, one starting tag, one ending tag. So inside that, whatever you copied from the Maven repository, paste it and click on give control yes. If you give control yes, your project will be built, and whatever the Selenium jars that we need, it will be automatically downloaded and will be placed in Maven dependencies section. Okay. So it is, I just gave control S. So it is building your project. It is getting downloaded, whatever the jars that you need. Okay. So it is in, it got 100% completed. So now if you look at one new folder got generated, Maven dependencies. If you expand that Maven dependencies, you will see all the Selenium jars. Okay, so these are all the jars, Selenium related ones. So Selenium Java, Selenium API, Chrome driver, Edge driver, Firefox driver, IE, Opera, so likewise Vovo, and see, these everything are related to Selenium and jars. So this is how you will add the Selenium dependencies. So now let's see how to add Cucumber dependencies. Okay, going back to Maven repository and typing Cucumber and click on search. Okay, so there will be several search results. So you need to select this one. Okay, so we don't need this io.cucumber. Okay, this is JUnit, we don't need. So Cucumber Java we need to select info.cooks. Just select this fourth option. So I'm going for some standard version 1.2.5 because the usage rate is high. So I'm just going inside this. Okay. The same like we need only Maven. So that particular dependency, copy it, go back to STS, and immediately after uh, the first dependency, right, place this and give control yes. So your project building again, so you can see the percentage progress in the bottom. Okay, so it got completed. If you go back to the Maven dependency section, here there are a couple of new jars got added. So those are related to Cucumber jars. See, Cucumber Java, Cucumber Core, Cucumber HTML, Cucumber JVM, Jenkins. So these are all the jars related to Cucumber. Okay, so this is how you will add the Selenium and Cucumber dependencies in order to get the particular jars. Okay. So likewise, you can add TestNG dependencies, JUnit dependencies, whatever you need based on your project needs. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.